Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Did you just buy the Hercules table saw and you're looking for a great rolling stand? The Dewalt rolling stand, model number DW7440RS, is the perfect match for this Harbor Freight Hercules table saw. So I really do like the table saw, but I really wanted a rolling stand for it, and Harbor Freight just didn't have one that I liked. This DeWalt one is absolutely perfect for it. It's got a nice handle, it rolls really easy, and it just stores. Now it does retail for $168, and I will put a link to it underneath the show description notes. Okay, so the first thing I love about this table saw stand, it's freestanding. So wherever I put it, it's got those big feet, and it'll just stay wherever I put it. Now let's put it together. Let's roll it to where I need it. It's super easy to roll. I've got full control of it. This handle extends. It's just the perfect size. So let's go ahead and open up the feet. Again, very easy. You're going to push these levers. The feet come down. And then I like to kick it over center. Just kind of hold it, rock it over. So that was super easy to set up. And now I'm ready to use my table saw. It does come with these brackets. If I did need to detach the table saw from the stand, I could, but I'm going to leave it. It's just so well situated on there. I'm going to leave it on there. When I do my work, it's at the right height. So with the feet, with it on its feet, you know, the table saw is right at 35 inches above the ground. So putting it together was a little tricky. Make sure these come up like this, but this axle, there is a longer end. So from here to here is longer because the back feet are longer and it needs to clear them. I had it reversed earlier and the short one was around the back, but your tire won't go on. So that's the reason. You get more stability with those back feet. It comes with all the hardware to install the brackets onto the table saw. And if I wanted to release it, I would just press these right here and lift these levers up and I could remove the table saw off of this. I just really do like this DeWalt table saw stand. It just makes moving this around and storing it so much easier. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.